The widget automatically displays interaction-related information when the inbound phone call is received. When the agent accepts the incoming call, the connector automatically creates an interaction on ServiceNow, populating the short description with information such as the media type and the connection ID. Moreover, it associates the opened for field with the contact recognized via the ANI or automatic number identification. Naturally, this information can be modified. The widget can also be resized to display the script collected and configured at a Genesys level. When the phone call ends, the agent is able to select and save a wrap-up code within the ServiceNow interaction. Any further information can also be saved into the created interaction. By clicking Show Interaction Content, agents can retrieve information from the Genesys interaction. This iframe displays precisely the same data present in Genesys Cloud. Therefore, on this page, agents can perform several actions: listen to the phone call recording if authorized, and verify the participant data, for example, all ServiceNow object creation information, the activity ID containing the interaction created, and the contact ID, which is the contact found within ServiceNow for that telephone number. Agents can also consult the timeline, which shows data related to the time the caller spent on the Genesys Cloud platform, the quality summary, the call transcript, and other details while remaining within ServiceNow.